we talk about how can you join Amazon Music Unlimited on your Amazon Music app. So you just follow this wisdom, it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You will find here join Amazon Music Unlimited, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this here, and you just click here on try it free. So then here it's going to show for you purchases here. I have no payment methods in my account, but if you have it, it's going to show for you to add your card information, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.